Traveling is considered to be one of the most enriching hobbies a person can have. For many, it is not just a way to spend a summer holiday, but a valuable opportunity to broaden their horizons, explore unique cultures, and discover unfamiliar traditions. However, a successful trip requires a bit of organization before you leave home. Experienced travelers usually create a checklist to ensure they don't forget anything. When packing your luggage, it is important to choose versatile clothing that suits the local climate, along with comfortable footwear for walking. Most importantly, you should check that your passport is valid and secure your digital boarding passes on your smartphone. Once your bags are packed, you must consider your method of transportation. Depending on how far you are going, you might take a long-distance coach, take a flight, or catch a train. Upon arriving at your destination, the next step is locating your accommodation. When you reach the hotel, you head directly to the reception desk to check in. The receptionist will greet you, confirm your reservation on their system, and ask for a form of identification such as your passport. Once the check-in process is complete, they will hand you an electronic key card. Then you can visit your room to unpack, freshen up, and unwind after a long journey. As soon as you feel rested, you can step outside to explore the city as an independent tourist. It is incredibly exciting to wander through historic neighborhoods and seek out famous landmarks. Don't forget to take lots of photographs to look back on in years to come. By late afternoon, hours of sightseeing will likely leave you feeling exhausted and hungry. This is the ideal moment to find a local cafe or an authentic restaurant away from the main tourist areas. Instead of choosing familiar fast food chains, sampling the local cuisine is a much more memorable experience. Trying local dishes connects you directly to the culture. Before returning to your hotel for the evening, it is a lovely tradition to browse a local gift shop for souvenirs. Selecting small tokens for your loved ones shows that you were thinking of them during your adventures. You might pick up a scenic postcard for your family or a handcrafted keychain for your friend. Ultimately, every journey we take is a magnificent chance to step out of our comfort zones, learn something new, and create lasting memories. Questions. Where did you go on your last holiday? Did you travel there by plane? Tell me about some of the things you saw. Did you visit any museums? Did you stay at a nice hotel? Practice your English writing by telling me in the comments section.